Hi guys, I hope that you are doing well at home. Please be safe and don't forget to wash your hands. It's so important, okay guys? Today we are going to review that topic about what do animals eat. But first of all, I'm gonna ask you the following question. What is each animal eating? What is the panda eating, guys? What do you think? Yes, of course, it is eating leaves. Now, what are the birds eating? Excellent, guys, they are eating worms. What about the lion? What is the lion eating, guys? Yes, very good. It is eating meat. And the last one, the beautiful squirrel. What is the squirrel eating, guys? Excellent again, it is eating guava, yes, the delicious fruit. As you notice, each animal is eating different things. That is because animals can eat different types of food. So animals can eat, for example, plants or parts of the plants. Animals can eat roots. Carrots are examples of roots. Animals eat stems. Animals eat leaves, such as spinach or lettuce. When, for example, we eat this kind of plants, actually we are eating leaves. Cuando comemos lechuga o espinaca, estamos comiendo realmente hojas de una planta. Animals also eat flowers, fruits. You already know a lot of different types of fruits and delicious ones, yes, seeds. And also we can include in here nectar. But animals also can eat other animals or parts of the animals. So they can eat their muscles, their bones, and more. So according to the food the animals eat, they can be classified as herbivores, carnivores, or omnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are all those animals which eat plants or products derived from plants. As I mentioned before, fruits, seeds, roots, leaves, etc. Carnivorous animals are the animals that eat other animals, which includes any parts of an animal's body. So, as I mentioned before again, muscles, bones, organs. And omnivorous animals are all of those animals that eat both, not only animals, but also plants. Entonces, resumiendo este tema, hablamos de la clasificación de animales de acuerdo a lo que ellos se comen. Entonces podríamos hablar de animales herbívoros, los cuales son todos aquellos animales quienes comen plantas o partes de las plantas, pero solamente incluyen esto en su dieta. Los carnívoros, todos aquellos animales quienes se alimentan de otros animales o partes de los animales. Y los omnívoros, animales los cuales se alimentan o incluyen en su dieta no solamente animales, partes de animales, sino también plantas o partes de las plantas. We can mention many examples of herbivorous animals. In this picture you can see different of them. For example, cows, goats, elephants, caterpillar. Don't forget that herbivorous animals eat plants or products derived from plants only. We can also mention many examples of carnivorous animals, but in here I'm gonna classify or divide the carnivorous animals in two big groups. The first one is the vertebrate carnivores. Estaríamos hablando de los carnívoros vertebrados, which are all the animals that have backbone, yes, or have bones inside their bodies. Recordemos que los animales vertebrados son todos aquellos animales quienes tienen una columna vertebral y tienen huesos dentro de su cuerpo. So, vertebrate carnivores, or we can mention vertebrate carnivores such as lions, the sharks, and also bats. Bats feed on blood, or some of them feed on blood. So that is the reason why we include them in this kind of carnivores. This type of carnivores usually have special physical characteristics. Those physical characteristics help them in their eating process. Some of them, for example, have very sharp teeth. Some others have very, very strong claws. Those physical characteristics help them to kill the prey o to catch the prey. Estas características físicas los ayudan a ellos a cazar su presa, a poderla matar y también pues comérsela con sus dientes o con sus garras, atraviesa sus pieles para podérselas comer. On the other hand, we have the invertebrates carnivores, which are the animals that don't have a backbone. They don't have bones inside the bodies. Remember that los animales invertebrados son todos aquellos quienes no tienen una columna vertebral o no tienen huesos dentro de su cuerpo, ¿cierto? In this group, we can mention many insects such as the praying mantis, spiders, dragonflies, and more. Remember that carnivorous animals eat other animals or parts of them. We also can mention some examples of omnivorous animals. In this picture, you can see pigs, different kinds of reptiles, some species of monkeys, and human beings. All of them includes in their diet not only animals but also plants. Okay, guys? So now you are gonna practice the topic at home. I'm gonna read each sentence for you and you are gonna try to answer or complete the sentence. So let's do it, guys. Animals that only eat plants are called or parts of the plants. ¿Cómo se llamarían ellos? Los que solamente comen plantas o partes de la planta. Very good. They are herbivorous animals. Next one, guys. Animals that only eat other animals are called. Okay, try to do it. Excellent, guys. They are called carnivores. And the last one is the easiest one. Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. Pretty good. So, guys, you did a very good job. Congratulations now. Okay, guys, here I have my references, todas las referencias bibliográficas en donde obtuve las imágenes para hacer esta presentación. And thanks a lot, thank you so much for watching this video, for paying attention to my class. Vamos entonces a continuar con el proceso. La idea es que ustedes revisen la plataforma y realicen la actividad que se diseñó para practicar este tema. Entonces nos vemos en la próxima clase. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.